Welcome. Today we're looking at how lean manufacturing can help small and mid-sized businesses run smarter, not just bigger. Lean principles like cutting waste and improving efficiency are no longer just for industry giants. With Odoo 18, proven lean methods, like just-in-time and Kanban, are now built right into your daily workflow. If you want to save money, deliver faster, and keep teams on the same page, this is where you start. Let's dive into the features that make Odoo 18 perfect for lean manufacturing. First, automated just-in-time inventory means you only make or buy what's actually needed. Goodbye, costly overstock. Then Odoo's powerful Kanban boards bring your entire operation to life on screen. Track live progress, spot bottlenecks instantly, and help your team react fast. And if things change, batch splitting and flexible routing keep production moving. No more full stops for one small problem. Everything is designed to keep your shop floor flowing. What sets Odoo 18 apart? All your teams, sales, purchasing, production, work on the same system in real time. When sales enter an order, Odoo checks inventory on the spot, and if you need more raw materials or finished goods, it triggers manufacturing or purchase orders automatically. This level of integration means fewer errors, faster decisions, and no more juggling spreadsheets. Everyone knows what's happening all the time. Ready to get lean with Odoo 18? Here's how to make the most of these tools. First, match your Kanban board stages to your actual production process, not just what's in the manual. Next, regularly fine-tune your JET rules to fit sales trends and seasonality for each product. Keep your team engaged. Ask them to update progress and flag bottlenecks every day. And when things go sideways, batch splitting and flexible routing let you ship what's ready and fix the rest on the go. Simple habits, big results. So what's the bottom line? Odoo 18 gives every SME the chance to see big results, cutting costs, speeding up deliveries, and making teamwork smoother than ever. The best part? You don't need a huge IT team or months of training. Start with one or two features and you'll see improvements right away. Lean manufacturing isn't just a theory anymore. Odoo 18 turns it into real progress. Ready to get started? Link in description. Your lean journey starts today.